Xo'p, shunda demak she's got lunch at school emas, she has lunch at school bo'lar ekan. Endi formulalarga keladigan bo'lsak, yana qaytadan ko'p chiqadigan bo'lsak, have da darak shaklda subject plus have has object, ya'ni ikkinchi darajali bo'laklar. Inkor shaklda subject plus don't doesn't dan foydalanib have object. So'roq shaklda bo'lsa, do does oldinga chiqadi, subject have plus object bo'lar ekan. A have got da bo'lsa, have asosiy verb o'zi oldinga chiqadi so'roq shaklda, ya'ni darak shaklda subject plus have has got plus object. Inkor shaklda have has got notni qo'shamiz, subject plus haven't hasn't got object. So'roq shaklda have has oldinga chiqib subject plus got plus object bo'lar ekan. Demak, ikkalasini taqqoslaydigan bo'lsak, mana I have a computer, I've got a computer. Meni kompyuterim bor. Ikkalasini ham ma'nosi bir xil. You have two sisters, you've got two sisters. Sizning ikkita singlingiz bor. Yoki he has a new phone, he's got a new phone. Uni yangi telefoni bor. She has blue eyes, she's got blue eyes. Uni ko'k ko'zlari bor. We have a big garden, we've got a big garden. Bizni katta bog'imiz bor. They have many friends. Ularning ko'p do'stlari bor. They've got many friends. Ma'nosi bir xil ekan. Haligi shaklda ozgina farq bor ekan. Mana sizga tayyor jadval, ya'ni qaysi egalar bilan have va hasni qo'llanishi. I, you, we, they bilan have got ishlatilar ekan. He, she, it bilan bo'lsa has got ishlatilar ekan. Demak, biz nimalarni eslab qolishimiz kerak ekan? Demak, ikkalasining ham ma'nosi bir xil, ya'ni have, has ham, have got, has got ham ekanlikni bildirar ekan. American Englishda have, has ishlatilsa ko'proq, British Englishda bo'lsa have got, has got ishlatilar ekan. Demak, tavsiyaga keladigan bo'lsak, ikkalasini ham bilishimiz kerak, ya'ni kontekstga qarab tanlaymiz qaysi birini ishlatishni. Demak, darsimiz tushunarli bo'lgan bo'lsa, e'tiboringiz uchun rahmat va uyga vazifa eng kamida har bitta formulaga 5 tadan gap tuzsangiz, o'zingiz o'rganib olishingiz uchun juda ham oson bo'ladi va o'zingiz mustaqil gaplar tuzib olasiz.